Okay, guys, here are these pillows that I've seen. They are beaded and sequined, and oh my gosh, you're talking about something that is so glam. Something maybe I would put on my bed. I would use in my bedroom. This guy over here, I don't think I would want to touch that. That really looks like someone who's getting ready to go out for the evening. So you would be all bejeweled up. So that's really not my style. But there's another one over there. But I know there's a lot of YouTubers that are into the glam and all the glitz. So this is for you guys, all you YouTubers in the lifestyle niche who love glam. This is for you guys. Love it. Okay, we're gonna keep moving on because we're really trying to find our way to the seminar center, the seminar hall. But because we are late, we may not get a seat. There are more pillows over here, which are very earthy in color, and I would say very animalistic, if you will. It's all fur. So if you're into decor, which gives you that jungle feel, forested. So this is an idea for you. And those chairs over there, it really looks like lamb's wool. I'd hate to know that they skinned the lamb or killed the lamb to get that. Ew. And guys, if you are looking for scented candles to have in your home, this brand called Harlem Nights. You can go to their website, harlemnights.com. I use these scented candles in my home. They're expensive. However, I mean, the scent that it and the aroma that it puts through your home is just unbelievable. I love it. I recommend it to you. And that's about all I could say. And it is a company located here in New York, and they are only online. So I suggest, let me take one of their cards. Thank you.
Oh, that's not
I just
card.
want one.
No.
That's not your card? Oh, okay. I want your card. Okay, she's going to give me a card. Thank you so much. I love the candles.
Thank you.
You weren't here last year, right? You were here the year before. Yeah, I know, because I have your candles. I love them. I think I bought Duke Ellington. I think that was the one I have. But I got to order some more. What's the price again?
They're $45, and if you get 4 or more, the price is $40.
Oh, okay. Okay. So you guys, you heard the price. So I don't have my glasses on now. So let's see if I could hone in with my camera. It seems like it's out of focus. But I think their website is, let me put on my glasses and then I'll be a better help to you. Wouldn't that be the right thing to do? Okay, actually, their website is www.harlemcandlecompany.com, and they're on Twitter as well as Facebook and Instagram at harlemcandlecompany.com. And I hope you heard the proprietor say that the candles are $45. So this is the size that you have, that you get. And of course, I will be purchasing mine before the show is over, because I love these candles and it will last you for a long time, guys. So it's a good investment. Okay, moving along. So guys, here's some pillows for all you guys that love throw pillows. They really have a nice assortment of pillows here. The colors, they can go with any decor that you might have. And this is the name of the company. Yeah. Really awesome stuff. Bring it up to the camera. These are really something that's really, I love these. They really feel so luxurious. And these are my color. Nice. Very nice. I don't know if you guys know it, but I have yet to get to the conference hall. There's wallpaper. And of course, wallpaper is back in. More wallpaper. And of course, you see the florals, you see mushrooms, and the larger the flower, the more fashionable it is. So this is what is in for wallpaper in 2018. Massive flowers. Oh, the ceramics over here look really, really nice. Look at that. There's something here for everyone's color scheme. If you wanted a bowl like this, and some of them are so large, I don't even call them bowls, I call them basins.